I'm gonna go mad. I am gonna go mad by doing dishes. Oh my god, save me. You can probably hear the music behind me. It's a nice restaurant who plays music every night till like what, 12ish, 11ish o'clock. It's really soothing, and sometimes it's live music. Someone is singing it, so it's actually good. And I'm glad that I get to hear it every day. Before going to bed, I feel a little bit refreshed with the music. Anyway, the reason I'm making the video is I'm gonna cook something. I'm gonna make meal plan with a proper diet. So let's start with broccolis. We're gonna eat 100 grams of broccolis for lunch every day. Like, it's one ingredient of my lunch. So first, let's saute that. Original easy cleanup oil. Even if you don't use it, it's fine. It doesn't make any difference. So that's it. Then obviously red pepper and some oregano. That's it. So we are gonna put it vegetables. Okay, we're gonna try with 2 minutes 120 Fahrenheit and let's see where it goes. If it doesn't feel cooked or not to my liking, I'll try with some more heat and time. Let's see. You watch it. Till then. By the time the broccoli is in the air fryer, I'm gonna measure the rice. You can eat avocados as an alternative for, that's a good alternative for rice, but I just feel that it would be too extreme for me to just stay on like broccoli, cauliflower, tofu, and I might get hungry. So I just want to start with like 50 grams of rice for a lunch as a one ingredient, and if I feel that it is enough and I can do it, then I'll try to like replace the rice with something much more healthier. Let's measure the rice. Next ingredient of my lunch is going to be cauliflower. Now I definitely would suggest taking a like healthy cauliflower from vegetable store around you. Obviously I do not have that privilege, so I use frozen one. I did put the rice so that it can get cooked. I added some of the jeera in it because it just tastes good, and obviously some garlic salt. Next up, this is a packet of 340 grams. I'm gonna consume 100 grams per day, so this will last me for 3+ days. So I'm gonna take 100 grams and then I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with broccoli. I'm just gonna saute them a little bit and then put it in the air fryer. Or should I be doing something else? I'm thinking to make a little bit of gravy, but then my tofu is also going to be a little bit of gravy, so that won't sit well. So let's just air fry it and try it how it feels. For one day we'll air fry everything. Next day, if we don't feel like, we'll make Indian style. Let's go. So one idea I got is I can use different spices in different sections, and every day I can taste it which exact spice I like in it, and then use that spice. Smart brain! My smart brain. So I was measuring tofu, and as per the, like, you ought to eat 200 grams of tofu for lunch, and this is what the other package is, like 397 grams. Yeah, this is 454 grams of a one pack. And I was like, okay, so 454, so it means nearly 2 days and a little bit of extra. And the other one is 397, this one extra one. And out of these, this one is actually much better when it comes to protein than this. So I don't know. Okay, so I was measuring tofu, and look how I'm measuring. Okay, and I was like, I'll just measure like whole cup and then see how many it requires for 5 days, right? Look, this is how I'm measuring it. Like an idiot, this has a water in it. If I keep on measuring like this, I'll go starve. I'll starve myself. I don't know how I'm gonna cook this. YouTube, help me.